Welcome to this 2022 Winnebago Forza 34T, a luxury diesel motorhome that blends strong performance with residential comfort in a very usable floor plan. From the moment you walk up, you can immediately see the clean design and thoughtful layout that make this coach a great option for extended travel or weekend adventures. Stepping inside, the living area feels open and comfortable. The kitchen features durable Corian countertops with matching sink covers that add extra prep space when needed. A two-door 16-cubic-foot residential refrigerator gives you plenty of room for groceries, making longer trips far more convenient. The bathroom includes a spacious 38 by 30-inch shower. Moving toward the rear of the coach, the bedroom features a comfortable Queen Air sleep master bed, along with a 32-inch television for private entertainment. And one of the most convenient features in this coach is the stacked washer and dryer, allowing you to handle laundry right on board. The dinette converts into an additional bed for guests, while the studio loft bed above the cab provides another dedicated sleeping area. Setup at your campsite is simple, with automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. For towing, the coach includes a 10,000-pound trailer hitch with 7-pin wiring, and a Roadmaster tow bar is included for those planning to flat tow a vehicle. Power systems include a 6,000-watt Cummins Onan generator, a 2,000-watt inverter and charger, 6 deep-cycle batteries, and 510 watts of roof-mounted solar to help support off-grid camping. The coach offers dual exterior awnings that create a great shaded outdoor living space. There is also a 32-inch exterior television, so you can enjoy movies or sports outside under the awning. Storage is excellent, with large pass-through basement compartments for chairs, gear, and travel essentials. This 2022 Winnebago Forza 34T delivers a great balance of comfort, flexibility, and capability for life on the road. To view all the photos, see the MSRP and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.